So storm, I think it's Storm Dave, and the storm is coming. Experts do warn us we have entered the perfect storm, 4 storms converging. Financial, natural, solar and war, the perfect storm they call an ET. Has been raining again, and as always you can Google the rains list or look up the rains list on YouTube. It's disclosed in the rains list how they wear claws to claw their victims, human hunting pies, human hunting, feasting, blood drinking, harvesting adrenochrome, castles, manor houses, UK's Devil Island, country estates, and the rains list does name a lot of the UK big names, satanic abusers, members of the royal family, aristocracy, ex-prime ministers, cabinet members, politicians, celebrities. So plenty of high crimes, Jack the Ripper crimes, certainly not mine. No Roy White and White Van Man, Christian B, Sandringham serial killer, Black Wizard terrorist, is sure, we don't think so. Certainly will pay to make you disappear. All to cover up high crimes, royal blue murder, certainly not mine. Not me leaving the body of a 17-year-old sex trafficked girl on the Royal Sandringham estate, Killenfields, late Prince Philip's favourite hunting area. See Prince Harry the Spare for details. And as always, that is the word that came off the Royal Sandringham estate, Killenfields, loud and clear. So they're high royal blue crime. New Year's Day find, September blue murder, certainly not mine. There was full moon last night, the pink moon, the first full moon of spring. Plenty of hosts for the hungry, bloodthirsty beasts in high places. No hosts for the beast here. No barking mad, black killer dog wolf, no wolf man, dog man, Norfolk Wolf Creek. Son of Sam, Sandringham serial killer here. Prince of Darkness, ET hybrid host, Red Dragons. Their high royal blue crime, New Year's Day find, September blue murder, certainly not mine. And that is Prince William Way in this there on the right. And people did say there'd been others, and they will hunt and feast again. That's also all coming out in the Epstein files.